Hey guys, it's Pandora, the Postcard Diva. How's everybody doing out there? I hope you are doing well. I'm back, guys, with the Cow Postcard Program. I'm back just to show you guys some more results. I've been mailing my postcards. I've been getting quite a bit of calls and responses about this thing. It is blowing up, okay? Because people understand the leverage of having two tiers that will increase your income because you're not working by yourself. Okay, you're getting paid on other people's efforts as you build your team, as people join you. Okay, the Cash Cow is 2 levels. It's a 2-level plan. It's $300 to get started with this program. You're going to mail in 3 money orders. As you can see here, level 1, level 2, and the third one goes to the company. So you would send a $100 money order in my name, a $100 money order in my sponsor's name, and a $100 money order to the company. Now, what's included? The company is going to send you 100 full color postcards, okay? Just like this, just like what you're seeing on the screen. You get 64 ways to increase mail order profits. You're going to get your mailing list directory and a full color postcard ordering form. Okay, that's what you're going to receive in the mail. Now, by you joining me, I'm going to give you 200 leads. It does not come with leads. It does not come with a website. All you need to do is mail your postcards. But by joining me, I'm going to give you 200 leads to get you started. And I'm going to share with you a place where I get my postcards printed. Okay, so this is a great program to get started because, as I stated, when someone joins you, you're going to be in box 2. So every time they mail their postcards, they're mailing for you. So you're working smarter and not harder. Okay? You're not just working by yourself. It's not just you dependent on your sales. Now you have people that's working on your behalf. Okay? This is where the passive income comes in and the leverage comes in. Okay? So $300 to get this, to get in. That's it, guys. And mail the postcards. Postcards only 35 cents per stamp, so it's very reasonable to mail them out. Okay, just remain consistent. So, with that being said, I've got a money order that came in. I went ahead and opened it because I actually was looking for something else from the owner, and I opened it and it was a Cash Cow payment. I've got some more on the way, but as you can see here, the envelope has Eric as the return. So it came from the owner. Okay. And then let me just show you. Welcome aboard, Sam. Your leads. You should have those leads already. Because what I'm doing is, as I stated, I'm I'm sending you 200 leads for joining me. Okay, to get you started. So let me show you this without giving out his info. Okay. See that? It's a $100 money order. And the company, what they do is they send you the Cash Cow letter there. So you'll know it's for the Cash Cow. Okay? $100. Got some more of those coming. But anyway, just wanted to let you know this is going very well. And it's very affordable for everybody, guys. $300 to get in. And it's member to member. So again, you're going to get your payments directly from the person that joins you. It's just that they're going to go to the company and then they're going to forward them to you. Okay? So you can be getting envelopes as often as people are signing up. That's it. The Cash Cow. So get started with me in the Cash Cow. If you have any questions, give me a call. And what I'm doing is setting up a link so that you can go ahead and get your card without actually having to contact me. So I'm setting up a link. So I'm going to put that link below so you can request your, well, actually print it out, your Cash Cow postcard, and you can get started. Okay? So that's it. Look forward to working with you. Go ahead and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done that, and click that notification bell so you can be notified each and every time I upload videos, guys. Okay? That's it, guys. So until next time, see you in the next video. You guys stay well out there and be blessed.